All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. So we are in the next video right now, and this is part two of using loops and cases together, right? This is just a cool little exercise that I'm coming up with right now. So what I want to do now is I want to add a bill, right? So that when you click exit, right, it should show the amount of money that you owe. Okay, and then here I'm gonna create a double, and then I'm gonna say I'm just gonna call this a bill, right? So bill is yeah, I'm just gonna do this for now, right? Okay, so bill, I just created a bill, and then the price of Coca-Cola, the price of Sprite, the price of water. I'm just gonna write the prices here, and then right, so the price maybe is 12 rands. I think Sprite is more expensive than Coca-Cola, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna put this one as 15 rands. If it's not expensive, if it's not more expensive, please don't kill me. And then water, I'm gonna set it to be 8 rand, right? To be 8 rands, right? And then once it's done, right, enjoy your day. And then I would like to print. Okay, now instead of enjoy your day, let's just print the bill, right? Your bill is, right? Your bill is, and then we actually put the bill inside here. Okay, so there you go. All right, so I'm going to teach you guys a new concept. This concept is called the accumulation concept. Okay, this is a concept that you usually do in PPB, and don't worry about it. In PPB, I've also explained the very same concept, but in case you're curious about how all of this is done, this is why this video is here, right? So these videos are not limited to your curriculum, right? So you can, take it a step further, do your own research, and just get better at programming, right? So the accumulation method states this, right? So this is how I do it, right? I don't know the full concepts, but this is how I do it. So I need to create a variable here, right, that I'm going to constantly increment according to the choices of the user, right? Meaning to say that when they select Coca-Cola, I need to increase it by 12 rand. When they select Sprite, I need to increase it by 15 rand. When they select water, increase it by 8 rand. So in order to increase it, I need to give it an initial value. If I don't give it an initial value, then it is wrong. So it's like me saying x plus 5, right? So I'm trying to increase it by 5 while not knowing what the value of x is. However, if I say 0 plus 5, then that makes sense. Then you know it's 5. So the initial value is always 0, right? So when you're talking about money, you're trying to do increments. Normally what you'll have is you'll have your starting value as 0, right? So when they select Coca-Cola, I would like to increase it by 12. So in here, right, so it's basic things, right? So our bill, so remember when I do plus plus, I'm increasing by 1. So that's not what I'm trying to do, right? So I can say is equal to our bill plus 12, right? So what this says is that the new R bill is equal to the old RB plus 12. That's what this means. So if you don't want to write it in this way, I'm just going to comment this out. You can also write it as R bill plus equal to 12, right? So meaning to say increase it by 12. That's what this statement means, right? So these two statements, they mean the exact same thing. It's up to you how you want to use it, okay? So now increase it by 12 before you break, okay? So notice break is the very last statement that we put. Now, in case they type Sprite, I would like to increase it by 15, right? Then in case they type water, then I would like to increase the bill by 8. Right? So this is just the accumulation concept, right? So now when you come here, you owe, let's put an R in here, right? Because I'm lazy to import the whole, actually, you know what, let's do it. Let's actually do it instead of, let's not be lazy, and we actually do it. So now let's just see what it looks like currently before we do anything else. So now when I press 1, it says you have selected Coca-Cola, 12 rands, right? And then when I now click on Sprite, you have selected Sprite, 15 rands. Now when I click on exit, it now tells me your bill is 27.0, right? If you add 12 plus 15, you'll find that it's actually 27, right? So it's not wrong. Now let's add a little bit of formatting to this. It's a quick exercise, nothing too special. So we're gonna add decimal formatter. Just a quick reminder of how decimal formatter works. We're going to create a decimal format object here. Oh my goodness, decimal format. And then what I want to do is simply do this, right? So I'm going to put an R in here. So each format that I have is going to have an R, right? And then we're going to have this and then set it to two videos there. And now let's change the water to be 8 rand 50, right? 8 rand, comma 50, like this, right? So now this is going to be 0.50. Okay, next one. Okay, and then we would like to format our bill. So we're going to say df.format. If you guys have forgotten how to do this, don't worry about it. You can go ahead and revisit the videos if you need an explanation on how to do this. So now I've just formatted our bill to the formatting that I've created up there. And I noticed that the R is a brand new thing. We didn't talk about adding R inside. So you can add symbols inside your formatting as well. And then they will show up there. So now I have missed an extra bracket. As you can see, we have 2 opening brackets and we only have 1 closing bracket. So add another closing bracket right there. And oh, sorry about that. This is before. Okay, load the changes. There we go. And then run it. So now when I click on water, there we go. So, oh, sorry, I clicked on Coca-Cola. And then I'm going to click on Sprite. And then I'm going to click exit. Right. So now it says 27 Rand point 00. Right. Sweet. Now, if I was to run the same program again, and then I select water and Sprite, right? And then now when I click on exit, now it's 20 Rand point 50 cents, right? So our program is definitely working. I just wanted to show you guys how we, learn and use these different concepts that we are given, right? Hopefully this example has been very helpful and has taught you guys a whole lot. And I hope all the content that you've been learning so far has been a great help. Okay. I'll see you guys the next time I see you. Hopefully it's soon.